All right, hey boys and girls, in this video I'm going to review how to round whole numbers. Okay, we've got 4 examples here. Let's take a look at the first one. I have underlined the space that we want to round to. And remember, whenever you're rounding a number, you want to find the space, the digit that you're rounding to. In this case, it's the 8. And what place is that 8 in? What is the value of that? What place is that in? Good, that 8 is in the hundreds place. So if I want to round to the nearest 100, I'm going to look 1 digit to the right of the underlined digit. In this case, it's a 9. And remember, when you're rounding, you ask yourself, if it's 5 or bigger, I'm going to round up. And if it's 4 or lower, I'm going to round down. So you ask yourself, am I rounding up or down? Well, I'm going to round up because 9 is bigger than 5, so I'm going to round up. So this 8 is going to go up 1 and become a 9. And here's what you have to remember. Everything to the right-hand side of the underlined digit, so these 3 numbers here, they are going to stay the same. So we're going to put my comma, and we're going to put 7, 6, 3. And now, every digit to the right of the underlined digit, we're going to change to a 0. So 367,892, when we round it to the nearest 100, to this place, it would be 367,900. So let's look over here on this number, 67,296. In this case, we're rounding to this place, the 7. This is in which place? That's the thousands. So find the place that you're rounding to and go 1 digit to the right. In this case, that digit is a 2. So now ask yourself, do we round up or do we round down? We're going to round down because 2 is less than 5. Remember, 4 and below we round down, 5 and above we round up. So we're going to round down. Now when we round down, the underlined digit stays the same. So we're going to keep it a 7. And again, everything to the left of it stays the same, comma, because we got to keep that comma there, and everything to the right of the underlined digit always changes to 0. Okay? Let's look down here. Bigger number. We're now rounding to this underlined 2. So we're going to look 1 digit to the right. We're going to put our little arrow to show us this is the digit we need to look at. Are we going to round up or down? It's a 5. Up or down? Up. 5 and higher we round up. So we're going to round up. So this 2 will round up to a 3. And everything to the left, what do we do to that? Keep it the same. Keep the 1, the 7, and the 2 the same. And everything, let me put my comma in there, everything to the right, these 3 digits, will become what? Zeros. Good. Those will all become zeros. Okay? Now let's look at this last one. Now notice, in this example, I didn't underline the number. So what if I said, I want you to round this to the nearest 100,000, to the nearest 100,000. Because sometimes they will tell you, they'll underline it for you, and other times that you're going to have to know which place, which one to underline. If I said the 100,000s place, which one would you underline? Let's see. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Right here. And then we're going to look 1 digit to the right, which is a 6. Are we going to go up or down? We're going to go up because 6 is going to round up. So this digit underlined would go up to a 4. Now there's nothing to the left, so everything to the right of the underlined digit is going to be turned into a 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. So just remember, find the underlined digit, look 1 place to the right, put your little arrow, either round up or down, and then everything to the left of the underlined digit stays the same, and everything to the right of the underlined digit changes to 0.